This is our first home, so this is a huge deal for us. It's been really, really hard, especially the last month when everything's been about done. So we've had to wait on inspections to go through and all that. So we're very, very excited. Thursday's the day.
This has been a community project that's involved Habitat for Humanity in Wood County. So it's been a great opportunity for BGSU students and faculty and staff to volunteer and be a real important part in building this house. There have been 100 or maybe even 200 students that have been in programs and classes, construction management, but there have also been learning communities, some members of fraternities and sororities that have volunteered their time and come and committed to helping to build this house. So it's a great experience for our students as they go out into the world and develop their own meaningful lives. This is just a great opportunity and a great example of a partnership and a collaboration that's doing public good and has a great future. There's 2 more houses that are going to be built, so we're very excited about that.
There is nothing, I think their hands and feet do more than they could ever possibly imagine because it built a home for our family.